After determining what port you're using in your USB to serial converter, go to the small computer icon and select the number that put on there. In my case, it was COM9. Leave the baud rate at 115200. Stop bits 1, 8 bits, data bits 8, and parity none. And just call yourself a null modem or RS-232 or RF modem connection. Press OK. Now you're going to have to change this from up here in the left hand corner. You see SDL. What you're using is a MAP RT, or called dual port receiver. So we're going to have to close this by clicking on the SDL and closing this off right here on the menu. And you can save it, SDL configuration 1. Save it. And then you have to go to, it'll change color to the dark gray. Press File, New, Dual Port. It's going to ask you for a symbol definition file. Because these come in 200 kilohertz and 76 kilohertz models, you're going to have to select 114 for 76 kilohertz. In this case, 110.1 or 114.1 are SDFs for the 200 kilohertz system. 114 is for all 76. So press open and then just check your receiver settings again just to make sure. And you notice how it defaulted to COM1. So we're going to have to move it back up to COM9. Press OK. And then connect using these 3 computer icon. And then you're going to save this configuration as a dual port. All it is giving it a placeholder to put the information of the configuration. And then it's going to connect. It's going to give you a verbal map host. And now we're going to try and log on. So hit the key icon. Use the password 123456. It's a good idea to select remember password if you're going to use this again. And then go OK. OK. And we're successfully logged on. Now it's already in data logging mode, so I'm going to stop the data logging by pressing the red square to start data logging again. And you'll now see that I just clicked 2 icons, code on, ID on. It's going to show you this what's happening on the receiver immediately. So I'm going to start, the data logging has started. And I'm going to close this up now because we're going to see right now it should be just starting. Here we go. As you can see, there's a ID showing up with a temperature, and that's what kind of tag I have. It's about 4 inches away from the actual hydrophone, and the hydrophone is attached to port number 1. I'm a little closer now, which should give us a higher power level, and it's going to give us a temperature and pressure. As we get deeper in the water, of course, that pressure will go up, and most likely the temperature goes down. Get a little higher signal now. Now I'm just going to put it right close to the tip. And we'll see what goes from there. Okay, so now the hydrophone is working on port number 1. And it's coming in very loud and strong. As you can see, it's switched all the way over. Temperature in the tag is heating up because I have it in my hand. And it's giving a nice power level. Now we're going to test out the other port. We have the other port on now. We should be getting the hydrophone over at number 9 any moment now. There we go, on port number 2. It seems to be working satisfactorily. It's coming in strong, but unfortunately I'm too close to port 1 and it's throwing it off. So I will move this away a little further. Port 2 is now functioning correctly, and I've shielded enough from port 1. So it looks like the hydrophones are working accurate. It's giving a good, nice high value, 92, 88. You can go all the way down to 0. Looks like we're good to go.